Peacemaker is our linear saw for handling timber on a long dimension. It will suit any truss plant. The smaller truss plants use it for safety and the largest truss plants use it for its speed. It'll replace multiple pull saws, or if you're replacing in a smaller plant, replacing one pull saw, then you do all of your work before morning tea and put your labour on to making trusses for the rest of the day.
So we'd normally be cutting about 400 to 500 members a day on a radial arm saw. We're looking at over 2,000, potentially over 3,000 members a day on the Peacemaker.
The Peacemaker is our latest evolution of a linear saw, and we've taken the lessons of the last 10 years of linear saws in our industry and picked the best and worked out what we need to make it better. Now, everybody knows to make something better, you put a bigger engine in it. So we've made this thing with bigger computers, bigger components and bigger motors, all about more speed, more power. The design effort we've gone into this machine is aiming to make it cheaper for you to run, simpler for you to operate and easier to maintain. This machine is so fast, it has so much horsepower that you don't need to worry about getting multiple stacks through it. You can put singles through and get your output.
We've been looking for a number of years for a saw that would make sense of the metrics that we needed as far as the staff required, number of cuts that we could complete in a standard shift and the safety features we were looking for. It certainly put itself outside of the pack in comparison to the other saws that we've looked at over the last number of years. Once you lose production in a plant like this, you can't get it back. So having the guarantee and reliability of local based service and repairs for breakdowns was something very important. But one of the unexpected bonuses that we've come across is the simplicity of the saw is very much in line with the methodology that we use currently. So we haven't had to make any changes to our paperwork or how we would normally go about controlling our cutting.
You're getting your production out onto the floor a lot quicker, so everything's running smoother. The quicker we get the cutting out onto the floor, the less downtime we have with guys waiting for materials to be cut. Production's flowing a lot quicker. Well, normally it'd take about half a day for the job to be cut on a radial arm saw. We're now looking at about a couple of hours for the job to be fully cut.